Now, how can you make a picture low or lower quality on iPhone? Well, let's explain that. If you are new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so it depends on what exactly you mean, right? Because if you want to just lower it down the quality of the images so they take up less storage, that makes a lot of sense, right? You can check out the settings app where you go to the camera section. And from the formats, you're going to switch it from, it depends on what you have it available, right? But the high efficiency is going to be in the better quality compared to JPEG, right? So if you have the most compatible option selected, the photos will be in a lower quality and of course will take up less storage. You can also change the photo mode from like 24 megapixels to 12. This of course depends on your camera and your specific model, so you might even see some different numbers and options in here, but generally you lower it down in here. Also, you have the resolution control toggle in there, so you can play with that as well, right? But this is generally how you do this. If you already have some pictures saved in your gallery, like you can lower down the quality by doing what's called the compression of those images. You can get like plenty of different like compression apps from the App Store where you basically just import your photos and you just lower down the quality, like I mean, and not like visibly, it should kind of look okay as well, but you lower it down the size to save the storage or make it easier to share on the internet. So let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. In case you have some specific questions still, leave them below, but most definitely subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming tutorials and all of the videos which I have coming up. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later in those videos.